Weeks pass, Amaka life scatter, but her spirit no break.
One afternoon, she checked her old email backup. Hidden folder. Strange login alert.
Location. Same house. Same room. Her heart skip. She checked deeper. IP address. Everything points to one person. Chioma. Chioma, why? I suffer for you. I pray for you. But now you shine. And you not even see me. No be balancer. Him na destruction.
Next morning, police enter compound. Chioma shock. Amaka report everything. Full evidence.
You betray your own blood! Because some blood feed poison you pass enemy. Months later, life balance again. But every night, she still dey wake. Because she no just lose sister, trust. She lose trust.